Hello everyone. Day 1, continuing our Toronto adventures. Here we are at Falls View Indoor Water Park at Niagara Falls. Summertime with summer heat begs for a time well spent to cool down sa kanilang water park. Grabe, ang init, parang Pinas, kaya need mag-refresh sa tubig. It's amazing. Look how huge their water slides and tube slides are. It is really enjoyable to be with family. At ayan na nga, my BFF is having fun with her son. This is really a great time para na rin magbanding sila. So sweet. Life is like a water slide. What matters more is the journey than the destination. Char! Ang saya talaga oh. Refreshing. And there's my nanak. Enjoy din talaga siya. This is my graduation gift for you, anak. Kaya enjoy lang. And here's Jana on the slides, my BFF's daughter. And here we are, selfie. Space will only be a place if it has meaning. And time spent with people so dear to you makes a mere space of amusement, a place of friendship and a special bond. Sabi nga nila, carpe diem, meaning seize the day. I try to enjoy life to its fullest. It's not every day you always get to feel young like this. Kaya enjoy lang si Inday, and with a very supportive friend na sabi sa akin, push lang, doon ka, sa taas ka, sundan kita ng camera. A friend who finds happiness in seeing you enjoy life. A true friendship was shared. Kaya ayan, parang bata lang, ini-enjoy lang yung water. Yan, takbo-takbo. Posing gamay, pakyut-kyut gamay. At yan din si nanak ko, nag-i-enjoy din siya. Gustong-gusto niya talaga mag-swimming. He really love it. Si mamay din of course, hindi din magpapahuli yan. Parang bata din yan. We really enjoy this place. And we really love the moment. Anyway, that's it everyone. On to the next adventure. See you again.